2014 Dodge Charger RT. Let me show you guys what we done. So it's got cats, X-pipe. Then what we did is put two flow FXs in the middle, there and there. Here's the part number, 71415. There'll be a link in the description. Then what we did, he didn't want too much drone, so we also added two DYNOMAX race bullets. One there, one there. Part number, 24250. Then we finished it off nicely with quad tips, black, 3-inch outlet, 2.5-inch inlet there and there. There'll be a link in the description for everything we can find for you guys, okay? Look at that. It looks really nice and clean and beautiful. There's the flow FXs too. All right, so stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. As you guys can see, the beast is done. Sexy Hemi, babe. 2014 Dodge Charger 5.7 Hemi. There's Jared just chilling in the corner, waiting for me to finish. Anyways, let me show you guys what we done to it. He's bringing it back next week for high flow, so we'll do an updated video then, hopefully. But we did true duals all the way back, 2.5, as you guys can see, out the back on each side. And then we finished it off with 3-inch dual tips right there and right there. Yeah, clean, very nice. And there's the system that was on it that we cut off. So we did a mid and a rear delete in the past, but he wanted it louder, so we took all that off, even the X-pipe, to make it sound fancy. Stay tuned. All right, guys, 2014 Charger RT with Flow FX mids, DYNOMAX rears, and quad tips. Here you go. Nice idle, right at 83. Go ahead. That's clean. He drove 2 hours to us from Cumberland County. We appreciate him coming down. Tennessee's huge, guys. It's long. Again. Here's the mids that were on it, and that's the rears. We took all that, and those the factory tips that we took off. Again. All right, stay tuned. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's our beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Here on the inside. Already sounds better with that. Now it's got a nice idle to it. It's loud. Here's idle. 88. Go ahead. That's insane. Again. Here's sound decibels. Again. 122. It keeps climbing. Again. There it is. Imagine if you do long tube headers and high flow cats. Yeah. Oh my God, it's gonna be insane. That's a perfect wheel setup on it. I like it. So definitely this pipe size makes a huge difference, as you guys can see. 2.5 is the way to go on these. 3 inches even deeper, but it won't pop as much. He wanted it to pop more. We're like 2.5 is the right. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, 3560 Dickerson Pike. Here we go. Dodge Charger RT 2014. Really clean Dodge Charger, by the way. Super cool, dude. He fixed our sign. Our sign was broken inside. The module went out for one of our exhaust addict signs, LED. So he's super cool, super knowledgeable. I love him. We appreciate him coming down. It sounds so good. Enjoy, guys. What should we call her? Get a name for her, guys. What should we call her? He doesn't have a name. It's all murdered out, got red eyes. I don't know. What's a good name, you think? Charger? Let's see the takeoff. It's definitely a lot louder. Those tips fit it perfectly. Oh, beast mode! Heavy, heavy! Yeah, this sounds good. I like it. Heavy, heavy, baby. Enjoy it, guys.